Turn your drafty, inefficient wood fireplace into a beautiful and efficient heat source with one of the Excursion gas inserts by QuadraFire. With no wood to haul and no mess to clean up, the Excursion gas inserts are easier than you would have ever thought. Enjoy reliable and fast heat with a powerful fan and efficient steel heat exchange system, delivering performance you can feel. Multiple sizes and styles allow the Excursion Series to transform your room from the underused to unbelievable in as little as a day. This is all powered by the IntelliFire Touch, thermostat remote control, and optional IntelliFire app. The IntelliFire app allows you to operate and monitor your fireplace from anywhere and integrate a smart speaker for voice control. For all features you want standard, look no further than the Excursion Series by QuadraFire. To learn more, visit your local dealer or quadrafire.com.